What if animals actually called each other by name? Well, dolphins do something surprisingly similar. Each dolphin develops a unique whistle which is distinct enough to work almost like a personal name. Scientists call it a signature whistle. Other dolphins can recognize and respond to it. Sometimes, they even copy another dolphin's whistle just to get its attention. Your skeleton is replacing itself right now. It might sound impossible, but your bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. This is happening because specialized cells remove old bone while others create new one. This process continues throughout your entire life. In fact, much of your skeleton is renewed roughly every 10 years. So even though your bones feel solid and permanent, they are actually under constant construction. Your body is rebuilding itself every single day. Have you noticed that every year seems to pass faster than the last? Time doesn't actually speed up as you get older. When you're 5 years old, 1 year is 20% of your entire life, but when you're 50, 1 year is only 2%. As we age, each year becomes a smaller fraction of our total life experience. The clock isn't moving faster. Your perception of time is changing. And that's why childhood summers often feel endless, while adult years seem to fly by. What if I told you astronauts actually get taller in space? It sounds impossible, but astronauts can grow up to about 5 centimeters taller while living in space. Here on Earth, gravity constantly compresses your spine, but in space, there's almost no gravity pulling down on your body. That allows the discs between your vertebrae to expand slightly. As a result, astronauts temporarily become taller. Ancient Romans cleaned their teeth with something you'll never expect: urine. As strange as it sounds, urine contains ammonia, and ammonia is a powerful cleaning agent. The Romans used it in various cleaning processes, including dental hygiene. At the time, they believed it helped whiten teeth. Sometimes history is much stranger than fiction. The world's largest desert isn't the Sahara. It's Antarctica. Yeah, the frozen continent. Deserts aren't defined by heat but by how little precipitation they get, and Antarctica gets almost none. Some places there are even drier than the Sahara. So technically, the biggest desert on Earth is made of ice. Have you ever seen a fire cast a shadow? Fire actually doesn't create a shadow under normal conditions. A shadow forms when something blocks light, but fire doesn't block light. It produces light instead. So something we see every day quietly breaks a rule we expect everything to follow. How many of these facts did you already know? And which one completely caught you off guard? Let me know in the comments.